What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Omega Greed YouTube channel, where we do a whole bunch of fun things with cars and we learn how to work on all the cars together. If you're new to my channel, hey, what's up? My name is Jeffrey. We do videos on the 2020 Hyundai Veloster and my 2017 Ford Focus RS and the Miata, which is the track build on the channel. If you're interested in any of this type of content, check out my channel. But with that out of the way, let's jump into today's video. Today's video, we're doing something a little bit, we're getting back to the roots, doing some installs of some parts onto the vehicles. So I'm going to be doing a small little makeover to the Miata, just adding in the front splitter, which I had this front splitter before it fell off, which was my fault. I didn't, like, it, one part was falling down, I didn't fix it, and driving on the highway, it fell off. But it's an eBay splitter, like, I forgot how much these things are. They're not super expensive, but it sucks though the thing fell off. And I did get some side skirts for the Miata, so I'm interested to install these onto the Miata. But let me show you guys. So as you see, that is the Miata. So small, it really is so small, even compared to the Veloster N. That's kind of funny. Yeah, so front splitter going to be going on. Should be pretty simple, and then the side skirts. Here goes these parts. I do have another thing coming in, the rear like duck build spoiler coming in. Didn't come in yet, so I'm waiting for that. But I'm going to install these parts, so this should be quick and easy. Hopefully shouldn't take too long. Yeah, so without further ado, let's unbox these and then we can start this install. Alright guys, so this is a splitter that I got. This is the same one, literally it's the eBay splitter everyone puts on. They work just fine. I already have my holes are pre-drilled inside of my bumper from the last one I put on, so this one should be simple to put back on. I just gotta make sure it's 100% like bolted down and it's not going to be moving around at all. Oh, and another quick side note, I always like putting my car up on ramps instead of jacking it up, just because I feel like I can put it up on the ramp, put the emergency brake on, put it in gear, and also put like a wheel lock or something behind it. For me, it feels more safe than like jacking the car up. That's what I personally do. Some other people do, you know, they'll jack the car up. Either way, but yeah. So this is the splitter, and this is the side skirts. The side skirts looks like it's coming with actually some instructions, so that would be cool. I could do this. Oh, and it comes with hardware as well. I did not expect that. So that's nice. And yeah, it comes with a lot of stuff. The splitter comes with nothing, so I think I'm going to do the splitter first because I've done this before. I can throw this guy on and then I'll jump on the side skirts. But on another quick side note, for the Focus RS, if you guys want to if any of you guys are wondering, so this is the stock exhaust. This is what I was talking about. How it's the same diameter, but then it gets narrow right here. You see it gets narrow and then it opens back up. That's for like a fitment, like a clearance issue. So getting the new exhaust put on, it, you know, it's the same size all the way through. Then yeah, there goes my stock actually muffler. So you can see it's a pretty big muffler. Those are the actuators that open up the muffler to you know, when you put it inside track mode versus normal mode. But yeah, there goes the stock exhaust. I'm just gonna keep that because who knows, down the line, maybe take it back to stock, who knows. But yeah, I'm not gonna get rid of it. But let's keep working on the Miata. Oh, another small quick note. I forgot about these mud flaps we have. Meant to put these on the Veloster N. We may do that later, we'll see. But all right, let's throw on the front splitter. This should take me a couple minutes to do. Alright, front splitter's on. It is really windy out. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Front splitter is on. It looks good. It looks great. Simple. Now I have to do the side skirts. I'm a little bit concerned because of the attachment I have for, I need to get an actual power drill. The attachment I have for this to make my socket wrench, it's not exactly working the way I thought it was going to work. So we're going to have to see how am I going to install this. Hopefully we can make it work. So I need to look at the directions real quick and figure out how am I going to do this. yeah, we will see. All right, let's keep going. So these ones are a little bit weirder. So it's literally 3 separate pieces. 1, 2, 3. You put them together, and then it has the hardware that goes with it. A little bit different, but it shouldn't be too hard to install. Let's see if I can install this with my janky, rigged up like power drill. Let's see if we can do this. Windy, all my stuff is flying. Right, Legion? Legion, what's up? What up? Where's Garrus? And he's just hanging out. All right. Okay guys, so I may not install this. I'm not really liking the way it's looking, and I'm gonna have to probably cut this more to even make it work. I don't know if I want to install this. This is such a cheap side like skirt setup. Like, I think it's a little bit too ricey and a little bit too cheap. It's like not a good kit to buy at all. As you guys can see, so this is like, okay, it's super wide, right? And it was too long, so I took that other piece off. So like, if you just look, you know, match it up, it looks like the right size. But if you get underneath here, like in the bottom of the car, when you try to match it up, this forgot what this is called, but this piece is like hindering it. So if this was flat, it could work. I know some of the other side skirts, they will literally match up to the stock like bolts that are right there. Some of them will match up directly with that. This one is not. I like the way it looks. This is like such a cheap, like, it's so cheap. The front splitter, that looks fine. This one I thought was matched up with this Miata, but I guess it didn't. It's like a universal one. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to install it. I think it's going to look too ricey and just not good at all. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to destroy the aesthetic of the vehicle. Sorry, I'm just going in the garage because it's so windy out there. So that kind of sucks. I just wasted all that time doing that, and I bought it and I opened it up and everything. I don't know. I'm going to do a little more research. Maybe I'm going to see what I can do. That kind of sucks. That really does suck. But that's part of it. Sometimes things don't work out the way you want them to, but it is what it is, though. But I do think, though, the front of the Miata does look a lot better. So yeah, as you can see, the front splitter, I think it looks great. It looks a lot better. I'm so happy to have this one back on there. It's just those side skirts, they're just not, that's not going to work for me. I'm still waiting for the rear spoiler, the trunk spoiler. That should be in here. I mean, hopefully, I thought it was going to come like a couple days ago, but it still didn't yet. So I'm going to look on the mail. Maybe it came today, who knows. I don't know where that got shipped at. I got to check on that. But sucks, but that's part of it, though. Yeah, guys, there's a lot of stuff going on. Literally, there's so much stuff going on right now. It sucks, though, like with COVID and everything, I didn't get a chance to really take the Miata out for the track, like do the autocrosses and stuff like that like I wanted to. And like now things are like being a little bit more relaxed inside New York State. It's literally like the end of the season. So that kind of sucks. But it is what it is. It gives me more time to like get the car kind of set and dialed in and everything like that. Yeah, I'm gonna like, I believe, well, it just depends on what happens. So this winter season, though, this up season, I'm gonna start really doing like more and more stuff to the Miata. It's gonna be the off season, and I don't know why everyone's like honking their horns constantly. I don't know what's going on. I keep hearing that, but whatever. It is what it is. But I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as the YouTube channel. Go to the website, geekswithcars.com, and subscribe for more. We're gonna be doing some more interesting stuff with the Miata and the Focus RS. alongside the Velocident, which is a total blast. If you guys didn't see the video I did the 060 testing in that. They weren't as good as what I could have done. One other thing I should have mentioned, it wasn't running the higher octane fuel, so obviously that's going to cut power as well. But yeah, we're going to do some more runs in that when it's going to be its actual proper fuel and everything like that. So hopefully they'll get a better time. But stay tuned for more, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.